So in Tai Chi, even though it's not ultimately necessary, it's very helpful to do standing meditation practice. Postures like this, or low postures, postures with the hands at the side, are used. This is a very common one called hugging the tree, and the main purpose is to learn to open the body so that the rib cage can breathe freely. If your hands are too closed like this, you won't have the expansion in the rib cage. Also to allow all the blood vessels to open and learn to stretch all the way around through the back and through the legs. As we're stretching gently, you begin to get more and more strength. So here you can see that his weight is perfectly distributed between the front and the back part of the foot, so that there's no tension or excess tension in the legs, and also he's learning to switch on his core muscles, and that means that the postural muscles inside the body begin to learn to become stronger and more relaxed. So with these standing postures, the mind calms and concentrates on just refining the alignment inside the body. And we generally hold these postures for around about 20 minutes, just to calm the mind, gain more and more strength. So you can also see that the feet are nicely placed on the ground, the knees are not folded inwards, the back is nice and straight, not leaning back like this, it will create tension. So it becomes nice and comfortable. The head is as if suspended from above by a string. And I think it's useful to imagine the string begins inside the head, so that when you pull up, you can feel the strength of that upwardness, or what we call the golden thread, taking place. The arms are nice and rounded, as are the legs nice and rounded, because this is a structural strength that we then later use in the Tai Chi movements. So when you're moving around, you still have a round, open shape. Yeah. Also, if you turn to the front again. Also, we learn to keep the arms open under the armpits, so that the blood can flow nice and freely.